Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into your University of BC. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your University of BC, what you can do is just open up a browser. After opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for University of BC login. After searching for University of BC login, you can tap on this first option which says login. And after tapping on that option, you will come up to this page, and in this page, if you'll scroll down, here you can find the following options. You can enter your account using your email, you can log in your CWL account, you can also log in your EPBC account. So select the option that you would like and then enter your email address and password. After entering your email address and password, you can tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just tap on forgot password, which is beside your password. So just tap on forgot password and then reset or recover your password by creating a new one. So after creating a new password, just come back to this page and enter the new password that you have created. After entering that new password, just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So if you don't have an account, what you can do is just tap on create an account option, which is on the top right corner of your screen. After tapping on create an account, you can create a new account and then use that. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your University of BC account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.